This is the K9 model, and we will take a minute to demonstrate the recording function in this instrument. We should enter the proposed time for the record. I will enter 40 seconds. Then a file number is also to be entered, number 36. Now we will click record to begin recording of the A-scan display. During this process, we will also create a DAC curve using these multiple echoes and see how these steps are recorded. Now place the gate on the first echo and click record. And continue to do the same thing on all other signals. And the DAC is constructed. We will now take the probe off from the block and delete the DAC. We will engage the play function. In our earlier exercise, this is the first point we took for DAC. And this is the file number 36, which we saved earlier. Here the gate movements and the DAC construction point by point is recorded. This would present an advantage to customer or their representative to check the accuracy of calibration and result. The top right corner provides the remaining time during recording and playback. You can record for several hours, but we did it for 40 seconds for convenience. This is another test part with some artificial discontinuities. We will go into record mode after setting the time for about 30 seconds and file number 37. As the probe is moved, the defect signals also appears. We will now play the file. Here again, the defect signals and gate movements are clearly recorded. We have just constructed a DGS curve for a 4 MHz 10 mm diameter probe on a flat bottom hole of 3.17 mm. We will enter 40 seconds time and file number 38. We will record now. We will now calibrate the DGS curve. The curve is calibrated with the echo for correct ERS value. It shows an ERS value of 3.19 mm. We will now end the recording. We will now delete the curves and play the file. The curves are back when played, and the calibration sequence is reproduced here. In this last exercise, we will provide a 40 seconds time and file number 39, and then we will click record. We will now change the range to 50 mm. We will drag to reduce the amplitude a bit. As I scan other areas, these indications are recorded. I may also move the gate as and when desired on a job. We are now playing that file on a 50 mm range, and the amplitude changes, gate movements and defect indications are all very well recorded and played back. It's a joy to use this instrument to test, record and play the result. You may transfer the files to computer for further action. Thank you for watching.